So,
I am Pushpamitra. I am doing PhD in Utkal University of Culture, Odisha, Bhubaneswar. My topic is tribal of Odisha and their languages. Introduction. The tribal are found all over India. Odisha is one of the largest tribal population state in the country. Out of 30 districts in the state, 15 districts have a high density of tribal population. The tribal people identify the name of their tribe and language. In government reports, 22 tribal languages recognized in Odisha, and People Linguistic Survey of India (PLSI) recognizes 39 languages. There are 62 tribal groups in the state, with 13 vulnerable tribal groups known as primitive tribal groups. Didai, Bhunjia, Dogaria, Kon, Juango, Kharia, Kutia, Kon, Soura, Paudi, Bhuya, Lodha, Mankadia, Birhor are communities considered as particularly primitive tribal groups. Most of them are in southern Odisha, western Odisha and northern Odisha, with their linguistic diversities and distinct cultural landscape. The tribal society belongs to different ethnic, linguistic and religious groups. They worship ancestors and maintain continuity of their society. The Savras of Odisha are the early worshippers of Nilamadhava, who was worshipped as Lord Jagannath of Puri, head of the Hindu pantheon. In Odisha, the tribals are known as Adivasi, original settlers, Banavasi, forest dweller, and Girijana, mountain dweller. The tribals are very sensitive. They pursue hunting, food gathering, shifting, cultivation, as well as battle economy. They used to weave their cloth, symbol of their identity, beautiful and good for their living. They collected forest products, which was enough for their day-to-day maintenance. Drinking, singing and dancing is part of their life and living. The ceremonies and festivals of tribes can be classified into two groups that relate to individual families and relate to the village as a whole. The ceremonies relating to birth of a child, marriage, death are observed family-wise, whereas those relating to various agricultural cycles, eating of new foods, hunting, etc. are observed by the village community. As per 2001 census, the tribal population of Odisha is 22.13%, 81 lakhs 45,081. And 2011 census, tribal population is 95 lakhs 90,574. Family-wise classification. Linguistically, the tribes of Odisha are classified in 4 language families: Santan, Mundari, Ho, Bhumija, Juanga, Saura, Bonda, Gadaba, Gotu, Didai, Birhor, Parengi belong to Austroasiatic family. These languages are known as Munda languages. Gondi, Kui, Kufi, Kisan, Oran, Gadaba, Olari, Koya, Parji, etc. belong to Dravidian family. Alvi, Desia, Satri, Bhaturi, Bhuya languages are Indo-Aryan languages. The Sino-Tibetan language family is in northeastern fringe of the country. In the mainland, they are represented by the Ladakhi, who are living in Odisha and Karnataka. Juanga, Banda, Oran, Kisan, Gonti, Parenga, Kufi languages are art of being of lost. They are known as endangered languages. Some tribal languages which have alternative names are Mundari, Mondari, Bonda, Remo, Gadba, Gutuf, Olari, Koya, Koeta, Oran, Kuruk, Sora, Sora, Sabar, Sabar, Kui, Kuinga, Kan, Kuvi, Kuvinga, Kan, Karji, Boroja, Jharia, Santali, Santal, Santhali. Language as medium and subject. The tribal languages were never taken into consideration in education either as medium or subject until the multilingual education program. In Odisha, multilingual education program was introduced in the academic session 2006 and 7. Government introduces MLE program in 545 schools in 10 languages across 8 districts. These languages are Kisan, Oran, Kui, Kubi, Koya, Juang, Sora, Bonda, Mundari, Desia and Santali. Only recently the government of Odisha has increased the number by 16. They are Buttu, Bhumija, Ho, Gondi, Banjari, Parji, Haria, Matia, Desia Boya, Lodha, Mahali, Sora, Lodha, Pudmani Lodha, Bol, Ditai, Bhunjia, Chhattisgarhi, Odia. For all practical purpose, present education for tribal children simply starts with the mother tongue. UNICEF OPEPAS YST Shiksha Sandhan is Pratham are some of the organizations working for tribal education. They have no cooperation and coordination to have a cumulative effect on the education of children. Due to many factors, there is a continuous migration of the people in the state. Urbanization is an important factor. The tribals come into urban areas and live in slums. Therefore, the tribal languages are at the risk of loss. Their language use shifts from a regressive minority language to a dominant majority language through a process of digestion. The tribal children who are very young and separated from their parents, environment and culture, and educated through an alien English medium in urban area. They forget their culture and their culture is destroyed along with their language. The grid which is used to measure their society and culture is absolutely inappropriate. There is no rich and poor in their community. This relationship was primarily complementary and not hierarchical. Conclusion. The tribal languages are neglected and marginalized. The regional language Odia is neither the language of administration, education and of the serious mass communication. It is not the language of law. Therefore holds no promises of livelihood. The upper class, rich and high caste Odia prefer English as medium of instruction for their children. Therefore, the tribals attempted to reject Odia and study through English in the state. The parents are generally